Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the functional organizational structure. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's just start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. First of all, friend, the topic functional organization structure, we have taken this topic from the PMBOK guide, Project Management Body of Knowledge. And first of all, friend, if you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future, so this is an important topic, and you will definitely see this topic in the exam. Around 2 to 3 questions will definitely be there in the exam which are directly related to this topic, functional organizational structure. Now, what is actually the functional organizational structure? Uh, Functional organizational structure has been divided to put the specialist in the top position throughout the enterprise. This is an organization in which we can define as a system in which functional departments are created to deal with the problem of business at various levels. Functional authority remains confined to functional guidance to different departments. This helps in maintaining quality and uniformity of performance of different functions throughout the enterprise. The concept of functional organization was basically suggested by F.W. Taylor, who recommended the appointment of a specialist at important positions. For example, the functional head and marketing director directs the subordinates throughout the organization in his particular area. This means that subordinates receives order from several specialist managers working above them. The features of the functional organization, like the entire organization activities are divided into specific functions such as marketing, project management, operations, finance, marketing, and accounts, HR, so and personal relationships, etc. So this is an example of functional organization. Complex form of administrative organizations compared to the other two. Three authorities exist: line, staff, and function. Each functional area is put under the charge of functional specialist and has got the authority to give all decisions regarding the function whenever the function is performed throughout the enterprise. Principle of unity of command does not apply to such organization as it is present in line organization. Normally what happen in this type of organization, we have one manager, like for example we have one line manager and other team members are reporting to them. For example, there is a department of project management which has 5 members, and 5 members are reporting to the head of the PMO. Another is, for example, HR manager is other all the team members of HR reporting to HR manager, and in that way all these departments are reporting to the CEO, chief organization, chief executive. Now, what are the merits or advantages of the functional organization? First advantage is the specialization. Now, what does that mean actually? Better division of labor takes place, which results in specialization of functions and its consequent benefits. Effective control. Management control is simplified as the mental functions are separated from manual functions. Checks and balances keep the authority within certain limits. Specialists may be asked to judge the performance of various sections. Efficiency. Greater efficiency is achieved because of every function performing a limited number of functions. Economy. Specialization compiled with standardization facilitates maximum production and economical cost. Expansion. Expert knowledge of functional manager facilitates better control and supervision. Now, what are the demerits or the disadvantages of the functional organization? First of all, confusion. Now, what does that mean by confusion? The functional system is quite complicated to put into operation, especially when it is carried out at low levels. Therefore, coordination becomes very much difficult in functional organization. Lack of coordination. Disciplinary control becomes weak as a worker is commanded not by one person but a large number of people. Thus, there is no unity of command. Difficulty in fixing responsibility. Because of multiple authority, it is difficult to fix a responsibility. Conflicts. There are maybe conflicts among the supervisory staff of equal ranks. They may not agree on certain issues. Costly. Maintenance of a specialist staff of the highest order is expensive for a concern. So, friend, functional organization has their own advantages and disadvantages. We have already discussed. So, it depends on the architecture, on the structure of your own organization, that which structure is suitable for your organization. A functional organization structure is a structure used to organize workers. They are grouped based on their specific skills and knowledge. It vertically structures each department with roles from the president to finance and sales department to customer service to employee assigned to one product or service. Functional organization contain specialized units that report to a single authority, usually called top management. Each functional unit handles one aspect of the product or service provided, such as information technology, marketing, development, and research. They are referred to as silos because the function independently have their own vertical management structure. Workers within each functional department communicate with each other exclusively, and then department heads communicate with each other. This structure works well in a stable environment that has continuous operations. The goal of a functional structure is to put together every informational and human resource necessary for one activity in a single place. The functional organization structure help organization run their business and earn a profit as well. Friend, now who is best suited for your functional organization structure? Friend, large companies are better suited to use the functional organization structure, especially ones that produce just a few types of goods or services. Smaller companies may not need the structure or may find it too constraining for projects in which the depth of knowledge is more important than the breadth of information. A functional organizational structure is appropriate. For instance, a fundamental research and development program is well suited to a functional organization structure since the project can capitalize on the expertise of the department. So, friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.